Welcome to Lower Manhattan. Today, we're walking through some of NYC's most iconic spots, starting right here in the financial district. We're starting our day with a ride on the Staten Island Ferry, which gives us one of the best views of the Statue of Liberty and the skyline. Next, we're passing by the historic American Stock Exchange. This was once one of the largest stock exchanges in the U.S., known for its role in shaping the country's financial market. Next, we make our way to Battery Park, a beautiful green space along the water. From here, you get incredible views of the harbor. Unfortunately, we can't visit them today, but if you have time, definitely check them out. Now, let's head to Zuccotti Park, a small but historic park in the heart of the financial district. It's known for being the site of the Occupy Wall Street movement and is a peaceful spot amidst the busy city. Now, we're off to the One World Trade Center, the tallest building in the Western Hemisphere, and the 9/11 Memorial, a place of quiet reflection.
There is an artist's rendering of what it looked like in front of the towers. It's pretty cool. All right, there's the South Tower. We're going to go right there, take a look, and then to the
left. We'll also stop by the 9/11 Memorial. Those twin reflecting pools where the towers once stood are a quiet place of remembrance. Now we're heading to the Canyon of Heroes on Broadway in Lower Manhattan. This area is known for parades celebrating famous figures. This plaque honors Pakistan's President Ayub Khan, who visited on July 14, 1961. From here, we're walking across the Brooklyn Bridge. It's one of the best places to take in those unforgettable views of both Manhattan and Brooklyn. And that's a wrap on our Lower Manhattan walking tour. Thanks for joining me as we explored history, culture, and the sights of this iconic part of New York City.